Thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line Numb and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron in a squadron of X-Wings.
See, we came out to the other door. I know I'm not crazy. That's the door we came out of.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate re-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. On the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the combiner and motorator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Line Numb. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsions and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I want to get better now.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got fuel now, so transport can make a jump!
We got Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake them down!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get your friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This side.
This vessel is now under the command of the First Order. Everyone will disembark immediately and proceed to interrogation to your right.
Interrogation. We'll let them go. So I can get more of this.
How many here?
2 for the resistance.
You're already a part of the resistance. All the way down, let's go.
You said which one? All the way down. Yeah.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
You jumped.
Breaking you all out. Let's go. Follow me.
Red and blue.
That will fly away into outer space. R5 is going to take you off to the Star Destroyer and back to Batu safely. Hopefully. Good luck with your
Hopefully. Yeah, you might lose that hat. I took mine off. There's a possibility.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
It wasn't in them last time.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on.
I think they're droids.
There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching Detention Block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Detention Block breach. Prisoners not seen and then deep. Fire off! Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up?
Oh, you got to tell me when that drops, because I done forgot.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the
No,
prisoners.
please.
Neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
Amazed, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Is it here? Oh, Lord.
Abandoned ship. I repeat, abandoned ship. This destroyer's about to...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.